Hi guys, welcome to Coffee
Code
and Chaos. So, हमारा आज का topic is basically
introduction.
basically talking about who we are, why we did this.
And why have you received our page named Coffee Code and Chaos? Figuring it out through life with unpolished versions of two tech girlies, and just
And we don't have it
Speaking it
figured out
out.
yet, but हमने वैसे ही record press कर दिया है because it's been late and we had to
put
publish
the
our like first
intro video.
episode.
Yes,
Yes.
exactly. So we couldn't delay it further, but yes, here we are. First of all, giving you a quick brief about us. I'm Neha,
I'm Bhavya.
and we are from the same college, from the same university, and we've completed our engineering, or rather, about to complete the next year. About to
Complete
graduate.
the next year.
About to graduate next
Next year.
And so we've been friends from the past 3 years.
3 or something.
3 or something
Have we?
years.
I mean, there's a big origin story behind
Yes.
this, right?
And you will get to know it for sure in the further upcoming episodes.
Right.
We were not good friends earlier.
We were not.
Sad part.
Sad part.
But now
We are.
we couldn't live. We cannot.
We cannot live
live
without each other. It's not enemies to lover, but
But
it's
strangers to friends to being the bestest of friends.
right, exactly. And there were like many misunderstandings and everything. But I think what
We figured it
kept
out.
yeah, what
We
we figured it out, and what made this thing even strong was communication.
Yes, exactly. So I'll give you a base story. Me and Bhavya both have the same personalities, 100% replicas of each other. Though she's way more energetic than me, but the same amount of energy levels, the same amount
It's more
of
about
blabbering.
the blabbering, the kind of thoughts we have,
Yes.
and like our values are pretty much the same.
And how we resonate to situations and think about and perceptions.
Right.
They're all same.
I mean, कभी कभी चीज़ों को handle करना and all of those things, they might be different because I'm more of on the aggressive side, she's more on the patient side, but you know, all
But
in
we
all,
make it a complete jigsaw
yeah,
puzzle.
it's
So
it's like we just
into
somehow
each other.
complement each other, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we are like the missing pieces. So
Oh my god. Oh my god.
so there's that. Now that you know who we are, how we met, and all of those things. Now, moving on to how we got into tech. So, as you all know, we have already shared it with you guys that we are not just going to cover random things. We are also going to cover tech. Our journey into tech, and how are we, like, you know, just navigating our
navigating,
lives
yes.
and getting into tech and all of these
So
things.
it's gonna be more of a meaningful podcast because we will make sure and we will thrive to do that to make meaning out
We
of
have
this
matching.
channel.
We have matching bracelets, by the way.
She just dozes off from the conversation anytime, and you will see it throughout these sessions. Actually, we're on a trip right now, so we just got some matching bracelets yesterday. So she's too excited about it, and she's.
Are you not?
I am equally.
Are you not?
I am equally, but the part is that we're here to give our introduction.
Right. So, there's going to be about real meaningful connections. There's going to be about friendships. There's going to be things about life. There's going to be things about career navigation, how we actually navigated our college life. Right. And well, there's going to be lots and lots of, like, you know, about the imposter syndrome, because for now I personally feel, for us, for me, I don't know if she feels the same, but for me personally, I felt like I'm not very good with things or something like that, but I still managed to, like, you know, secure things because of the smart work. I don't believe in hard work at all. मैं बहुत आलसी औरत हूँ, but somehow I try to, like, you know, work really hard when there's something I, like, you know, want to achieve in life. So for something that I want, I am going to get it. So that is the kind of personality I have.
And
But-
on the other side is a mixture of smart work and hard work, because that's what keeps me going, actually. Hard work, what I've seen, for me, luck has never been that great. It's always been my hard work. जब मैं मैथ्स नहीं पढ़ती थी मेरे नंबर नहीं आते. जब मैं पढ़ती थी तब आते थे. So
for some reason.
Wait, let me complete. She's the girl, she'll study 2 hours prior exam and still score well. Me, on the other hand, will have to study for 2 weeks straight up to get a CG. 90 above.
but it's also because कि मैं क्लास में थोड़ी attentive रह जाती हूँ. बट हमने लास्ट 1-2 साल में हमने जनरली कोई क्लास जैसे डिलीजेंटली कोई क्लास अटेंड नहीं करी है हमने.
करी है 80% अटेंडेंस. The Narsi Monji gang, please assemble. 80% attendance has to be there.
Right.
So Narsi Monji, it's like our college's name, NMIMS. We are from that college, and the entity which really helped us connect to each other. So we are grateful to that.
Yeah. Anyway, so we are going to be talking about the imposter syndrome, as I mentioned. Because we have questioned ourselves a lot over the past few years and everything.
And that's a good thing.
And not just past few years, we have been questioning ourselves the entire life. And it's a good thing because it helps you grow.
Yes.
It helps you understand yourself better.
You will, those life skills classes that we used to have, they were not a waste of time. They helped you question your internal personas and figure out where you lack and where you fit in perfectly.
Right.
So I think that, see, we as school students, they were taught all subjects, but as we grow, we need to find our specializations and niche. So that's very important, and that you will only find when you'll know who you are actually. Because if you'll not know what are my strengths, I will surely not be able to move forward in that direction.
Right.
I would need to know myself first. And I think we both have been good partners to know each other and not just hyped up versions of each other, but really marking out where you lack.
Yeah.
So telling each other that where you lack behind, I think gives the true friendship.
Right.
And we were able to do that.
It's important for you to actually highlight what the other person is doing wrong when it comes to friendships.
Yes. I think other friendships, I feel, are fake. If they're not telling you where you were wrong, I don't think so they're your true friends.
Right.
You will have to hear bad words about yourselves. You will have to hear where you lack actually.
Right. And if it's like, for some reason, whenever we two sit together, we have lots and lots of discussions, real conversations where we talk about life, where we talk about career and all of these things. And that is also what led us to this podcast actually.
Yes.
We realized that there's so much of discussion that we do and it is actually so meaningful, and we thought that we should bring it out.
And we should share with other people, because I completely agree, everybody cannot have a real friend in their lives. So
I mean, they can, as long as they keep searching, they keep looking for them.
But
and
if you
it's more
reserve
about-
yourself, you won't. If you
Right.
reserve yourself completely, I
I
don't
mean,
think
go
so.
out, meet
Meet
people,
people.
make acquaintances, and keep the ones you connect.
We are not saying to share 100% of your life with everyone, but actually find someone first and then open your mouth.
Right.
That's a life lesson. You cannot trust everyone out there.
Right.
Mark my words, not everyone out there can be trusted. But
Uh-huh.
surely you can be.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Not everyone can be trusted.
She made me realize this because I was very sweet for some reason. Sweet with everyone. But she made me realize you need not be sweet with everyone.
No, actually, yeah, right. So she's the kind of person who would be, I wouldn't say she would
Couldn't
be there
say
for
no.
she couldn't say no. She is the kind of person who'd be like, even if she doesn't like a person, she's gonna do something for them. And me, on the other hand, I'm like, I
Like,
don't
why
like
are
you.
you
मैं
doing
तेरे
it?
से बात नहीं करूँगी.
Why are you doing it? If you do not like it, why are you doing it?
I
She'll
mean-
be there for me in those situations.
And for some reason, it just doesn't make sense. You don't like them. Why are you even talking to them?
it was conscious, basically. It was my conscious making me do it.
And सबसे crazy बात is the सामने वाला person also doesn't like you, and you guys are pretending to like each other.
Don't you think the world works like that?
The world works like that for sure in professional settings, but when you're sitting with each other personally, I don't think it makes sense. I don't like you. Why am I going to pretend to be be friends with you?
True, actually.
अगर मैं नहीं चाहती तुझसे बात करना, तो मैं क्यों बात करूँ तुझसे? I mean, it's not how it works most of the times, because कभी ना कभी हमें for some reason काम
You'll
के
have to
लिए
initiate.
बात करनी
You'll
पड़ती
have to
है.
initiate.
तो keep things on professional terms when it comes to those kind of people. You don't have to go like out of your way to help them, or like, you know, you can be nice in general.
Yes,
But-
be kind, but be kind to yourself first. What I've learned.
Yeah, exactly. अगर तुम्हें पता है कि सामने वाला is not supporting you, is back bitching about you, then what's the point of speaking to them nicely? ठीक है, just be kind. Don't talk
Don't
X,
let
Y.
others affect you.
Right.
That's the thing. Don't let others affect your mental health, because baby, your mental health is what you need the most.
Right. But my point is, be kind, be nice, but don't talk shit about them behind their backs. But you don't have to be like, you know, friendly with them if you don't like them.
I agree. Okay. Let's move on to the next segment.
Right.
Now, way more of worldly talks.
Now moving on to the being a girl in tech section. I
I like to start it first. My feminist side is coming out now. Being a girl in tech, you will hear a lot of comments from a lot of people. Oh, coding a girl, you can't do that. But whosoever says that is their insecurity and not yours. You can do it. It will take time. It's technical. It's very technical. But when you think and when you make that, you take that.
You make it your power.
Yes, you take that hold in your hands that yes, you can do it, you will figure it out.
It's not just about being in tech, like this lesson that you just mentioned. It's not just like, you know, applicable in tech sector.
For
It's
girls.
applicable for everywhere. Like, even if we are moving towards equality at this point, even if you can see that there's some sort of equality that girls are getting, but kahin na kahin, for some reason,
You will be somewhere commented as, oh, you can't do that.
and it's not just even about girls, even for boys. अगर उनको कभी भी लगता है, अगर कोई भी उनका मजाक उड़ाता है in a way that you cannot do it, I mean the only person to tell that to you should be you, कि तुम कर सकते हो या तुम नहीं कर सकते. कोई नहीं होता तुम्हें ये बताने वाला कि तुम ये कर सकते हो, तुम नहीं कर सकते हो, because it's your capability, it's you. Right?
Again, this point comes that you should know yourself first, because when you know yourself that this is my strength, the other person can say shit about you and you will not be, it won't affect you at all.
Right. So all in all, our real message is that nobody has it all figured out. Even we don't. Even at this point when we are talking all of this
We don't.
XYZ things,
It's just that
we don't
we're
have
sharing.
it figured out.
We're just sharing. It's not like we've, we've figured it out the real code, but no. It's just that we're sharing, and
Right.
might as well you help us figure it out and we help you figure it out. So, let's see where this journey takes us.
Right. And well, even if you have no confidence, no curiosity, everything is valid. This is a safe space. We're gonna talk about everything from our lives, everything we can give or share on
Yes.
this platform.
For sure.
We're
Which
gonna
will
be
help
here.
you, which will help you grow and actually help us grow together. You
Alright.
as well as us.
Yes.
So I think let's make this a very supportive and friendly space for all of us
Right.
who have joined us and who will join us in future. So let's just go with that agenda to make it a very extremely meaningful
Right.
two friends
So-
sharing each other.
This is going to be a comfort space with lots and lots of chaos, basically.
But the chaos needs to be figured it out with coffee and code.
Right. Now that brings us to the topic, why coffee, code, and chaos. So, well, code is actually a part of our lives now. Now that we are entering tech, we'll be entering
We are
tech
fully
from
into
January. We'll be entering tech from January onwards. So, code is going to be a part of our lives. It has been a part of our lives because
Of the
BTech
engineering.
graduates, and chaos is just our personality basically, and coffee is our coping mechanism.
And our bonding power. We really bond upon coffee.
Yeah, and there's also chai, but chai and code already existed.
I think just a coffee outing with your friend can really do it for you.
Yeah, right.
It can do it
It
for
can
you.
do wonders actually. I mean, जब भी ऐसे दिमाग फिर रहा होता है, I am like, bro, let's go out for coffee.
Yes.
Yeah.
It
there's
really
that.
helps. Or sometimes when we cannot, our coffee from our college canteen also works. It's just we helping each other out, not the coffee but coffee as well.
Right. So this was all about us, who we are, how we met, what are we going to talk about. There's going to be no LinkedIn version, only real honest
Real version.
conversations.
Yes, and also guiding you to how navigate through it all and really show what actual LinkedIn shows. Matlab, not just the fake version of oh I achieved this, oh I achieved that, but how to achieve that, and let's help each other also help
Right.
to figure it out how to achieve.
Right. We don't know it all. We don't have all the answers. But what we do know is that we're gonna show up, we're gonna talk about things, and we're gonna learn things by talking out loud.
Yes, I feel keeping it inside you or suppressing it down is not the solution. You need to know where you need to suppress, not always.
I mean, there's that. But right now I'm talking about we're gonna learn by talking it out here.
Yes, we will surely.
Yes, we
और
will.
मैं थोड़ी इमोशनली साइड चली जाती हूँ.
It's okay, baby girl. I'm here for you.
I know.
So, this was Coffee Code and Chaos for you all. And we'll be back with our second episode soon. This is going to be a trip recap as well.
She
There's going to be
really
a
just
trip
told
recap.
where we are. We are in the Dharamshala route.
I
uphill.
almost told, but yes.
But yes, so we
Hi.
will surely tell you about it, our gossips, our trips.
Look forward to it. You can
And
totally
yes.
look forward to
And
it.
furthermore, moving forward, we will surely bring up real, meaningful conversations and guiding you through all the tech journey.
Right.
And we will also talk about new technologies. We'll talk about new AI tools. Actually, we're from AI and data science background. Oh, the hyped up artificial intelligence. But yes, we are. So we will tell you about that. We will learn about that together. And new tools, new technologies. What else? New chat GPTs that are launching
There's
daily.
going to be lots and lots of things.
Lots of lots.
See you on the second episode. There's going to be lots and lots of chaos. There's going to be more and more of coffee.
Okay, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Meet you soon.